Adio, the sweet meaning of this name must be told, and loudly so, because I no longer see the name being used in these days. In most cases, when you find the Oriki Adio being born by Yoruba people, it is always as a surname, because people no longer really give these names to their children in our days, simply because they have been disconnected from the rich meanings of these names, which is my number one reason for doing this video. Gather all the people who bear the Oriki Adio, whether as their own Oriki or as a surname, and you will shockingly realize that less than 10% of them actually know the meaning of the name. Well, after this video, that problem shall no longer persist, because I am Ajadi, the one who fights to repair things. Kini ìtumọ̀ Adio? Certainly, one of the reasons why many people find it hard to understand that name is because an Iparoje has happened to it. A letter has been removed because the full name is actually Adio. Let us break it down. The key words in that name are the verbs di and ro. Kini ìtumọ̀ di. Take note, this is different from di. We are talking about di, not di. Di, I have already explained in the breakdown of the Oriki Ajadi, but di here is exactly the same as the one we have in the Orikis Adisa, Adigun, and what have you. It means to bind something, to have something bound by tying them, tying very firmly and tightly. Now, what about ro? It is a very simple word that means to stand erect. Ro is used for a thing that is firmly rooted, a thing that has a very firm foundation, a thing or person that has been well established, which is why that word is found in the Yoruba words for standing, words like duro or noro. So extensively, ro can also be used to mean to stay, to wait. I have gone into the details of that in names like dairo and what have you. Who then is an adiro? Very simple. The a that starts that word is a noun maker that can be used to mean he who, or the child who shall. Di, we have already established, means to bind, and ro is to stand erect. Therefore, an adiro is a child who is destined to be very strong, just like Adisa. In fact, the meaning of that name is similar to that of Adisa. This child, after being tied, will stand up, loose himself, and stand erect. Ọmọ tá ò lè rí dìmọ́lẹ̀, tọ́ta bá rí dìmọ́lẹ̀ gan, yóò padà dìde, yóò sì dúró. This is an Oriki with a very rich prophecy in it. This Oriki is to be given to a male child who is going to be a man of valor, a man of great achievements, a person who will not be held bound against his own will, a child that even if he is weighed down by life challenges, even if he is brought down by his detractors or the harshness of living, this man shall eventually free himself and stand erect. Àdìró ẹ lè rí dìmọ́lẹ̀, tẹ́ bá dì yóò padà ró. Wàá ṣeré.